हेलो गाइस, सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस करें बेल आइकन को ताकि आप हमारी वीडियो सबसे पहले देख सकें।
Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Student, today I'll elaborate and give the descriptive version of third chapter from the first flight book to story about flying. If we talk about this chapter, so this chapter divided into two parts. Today I'll explain the first part of this chapter, his first flight, written by Liam O'Flaherty. Before proceeding, let me tell you that even before I uploaded a lot of useful videos which can be quite useful for you, so must check it once, and in same kind of videos we will continue to run. For that you have to stay connected with the channel and share and subscribe. So student, today's video is going to be quite much interested and entertaining, so let's just start the video. So student, before proceeding to the story, let's take a look about the character of this story. The main character of this story is young seagull. If we talk about young seagull is a kind of bird who live in the surrounded of ocean. Basically, seagull find in the jungle nearby the ocean and top of the hill, and especially they are known to rule over the sea. They love to hunting the fish. And if we talk about this story, so this story is about a young seagull who afraid to fly and thought if he would try to fly, he would fall down and his wings would never support him. Sometime he would gather his courage, but looking at the ocean and the height from the cliff, he could not courage to fly. So, student, you can see here the young seagull all alone on the rock, and his family member leaving him alone. So, the story begins when his parents left him alone on the rock. His parents and family member used to encourage him, but he does not have courage to fly due to his fear, and his parents want him to be self-independent. Sometimes his parents mock him, but all went in vain. Although his younger siblings flew fearlessly while he could not gather the courage to fly. Now he was harshly punished by his parents, and he was left all alone on the ledge for 24 hours. He cried with the hunger and to be act like he is dying due to starvation, hoping that his mother would help him and find him for something to eat. Except her mother, he was neglected by everyone. Now, looking at the situation of his child, her mother took a final decision. Just because the young seagull was left alone for the last 24 hours and ate nothing, he was very hungry and begging for food to his mother. Now, young seagull's mother came to him and diverted his mind. Mother was high up in the sky, but looking at the food on the beak of his mother, he dived to catch. You can see here he dived to catch, but as he dived, he started falling towards ocean. He cried and started flapping his wings. But at last, finally, he made his first flight successful. After that, he was joined by his family in his first flight. At last, his family member flying around him and praising him. And finally, he setting in the ocean and realized that he made his first flight successful. So student, this was the chapter that how a small seagull made his first flight successful. So I hope you understand about this chapter. So if you have any doubt, so you can comment below, and thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.